Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, I'd like to focus on some trends in Austrian German for the year 2024. We will cover 3 topics and learn some Austrian phrases along the way. The words Europameisterschaft, Wahlen and Olympische Spiele are definitely going to be trending topics in 2024. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know 3 trending topics in Austrian German in 2024. Let's start with the topic Europameisterschaft. Europameisterschaft is the German word for European Championship. In Austria, you often come across the words Masterschoft and Moasterschoft. Master or Moaster means master or champion. The reason why Europameisterschaft, or the short form Euro, will be a huge topic in 2024 is because the Austrian team qualified for both the handball and the football European Championship. In this context, I'd like to present 2 important phrases in Austrian German. First, "We gonna win" is "Wir werden gewinnen", "Wir werden gewinnen". In Standard German, that's "Wir werden gewinnen". Second, in Austria, the following chant is very common. Immer wieder, immer wieder, immer wieder Österreich. This means again and again Austria. Immer wieder, immer wieder, immer wieder Österreich. If you listen very closely, you will hear it in the stadiums. The second crucial topic in Austria is election, or better said, elections, because there are 2 main elections. Election can be translated as Wahl and Wahlen in plural. In dialect, you often hear the words woe or woen. In 2024, the elections for the European Parliament and the Austrian Parliament take place. In German EU-Wahl und Nationalratswahl. The word for ballot paper is Wahlzettel. Wahlzettel. The winners are called Wahlgewinner and the losers Wahlverlierer. If a party loses a lot, people are talking about Wählerwatschen. Wählerwatschen, meaning a slap in the face. The third topic I'd like to talk about are the Olympic Games. In German, Olympische Spiele or Olympia. In Austria, the podium is called Stockerl. Stockerl. If you're among the best 3 athletes, you reach the so-called Stockerlplatz. And Medaille is the word for medal. In spoken form, the color of the medals, gold, silver and bronze, are often called Gold, Silber und Bronze. A typical slogan for Olympia is Dabei sein ist alles. In dialect that would mean Dabei sei ist alles. Dabei sei ist alles. This could be translated as being there is all about the Olympics. I hope I could give you a little insight into some important trends in Austrian German in 2024. If you want to find out more about Austrian German in just 1 video, please check out my crash course Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day, auf Wiederschauen und Servus.